There are many established systems for measuring sustainability across sectors and scales. The United Nations created 17 Sustainable Development Goals with 231 indicators to track global progress on environmental preservation and human well-being. The Global Reporting Initiative provides standardized frameworks used by 10,000-plus organizations to report sustainability impacts through specific measurable metrics. LEED certification has verified over 100,000 green building projects worldwide through rigorous metrics for water efficiency and energy use. Cities like Copenhagen track carbon emissions toward net zero goals and have already cut emissions 42% since 2005 while growing economically. The ecological footprint methodology provides clear measurements showing humanity currently consumes resources at 1.7 times Earth's regenerative capacity, with high-income nations averaging 4 to 5 Earth equivalents per person annually. The Planetary Boundaries Framework identifies 9 critical Earth systems, including climate and biodiversity, revealing we've crossed safe thresholds in at least 4 areas that threaten stability. More than 1,000 businesses worldwide have committed to the Science Based Targets program, which establishes industry-specific emissions limits consistent with keeping global warming below 1.5 degrees C, as outlined in the Paris Climate Agreement, with independent verification processes to ensure accountability. The Water Risk Filter Tool assesses watershed-level risks across 140 countries, helping organizations identify and address water stress throughout their global supply chains. Measuring sustainability requires acknowledging our economy operates within natural systems, not alongside them. Life cycle assessment documents environmental impacts from extraction to disposal, revealing hidden ecological costs throughout product lifespans. The Genuine Progress Indicator adjusts GDP calculations to include environmental damage and income inequality, showing that economic growth often masks declining quality of life in many regions. Environmental screening tools map pollution patterns against demographic data, highlighting how environmental harms concentrate in disadvantaged communities. These measurement approaches confirm what ecologists have long argued. True sustainability only happens when economic activities respect the finite boundaries of our living planet. The use of sustainability metrics in urban planning demonstrates how these measures influence physical development and resource efficiency. Cities including Singapore and Vienna implement comprehensive metrics that track energy usage, transportation emissions, and waste management across urban zones. These designs reduce carbon footprints while creating more resource-efficient infrastructure. By measuring factors like permeable surface coverage, building energy performance, and stormwater management capacity, urban planners create environments that minimize ecological impacts while enhancing resilience to climate events. These approaches incorporate elements of nature-centered design that integrate vegetation and natural features within urban construction projects, helping to clean the air, combat excessive urban temperatures, and create habitats for various species within city environments. Sustainability metrics also connect to several urban development concepts. They inform green infrastructure planning by quantifying the cooling effects of urban forests and their capacity to absorb rainfall, reducing flood risks. Metrics guide transportation networks through measures of connectivity that optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion-related emissions. They influence building codes by establishing performance standards for energy, water, and material efficiency, driving innovation in construction practices. Embracing these applications requires recognizing that urban sustainability depends on precise measurement systems that can detect environmental impacts across multiple scales, from individual buildings to entire metropolitan regions, providing feedback on interventions and guiding future development priorities.